Hi, I'm Gilad Shainer from NVIDIA, and I'm going to present a topic called Introducing Cloud Native Supercomputing Architecture at the ARM DevSummit. First, I'm going to tell you that's going to be the best and more interesting and most interesting session at the DevSummit, so I encourage you to join me. We're going to talk about Cloud Native Supercomputing Architecture. It's essentially the first time that we can build an architecture that combines supercomputing performance, bare metal performance, and cloud services or multi-tenant isolation. So for learning how we do that and to learn how to utilize that and to learn how the world of supercomputing is going to look like in the future, please join me in the most important session of ARM Dev Summit.